the summer of 2015 on Washington's Long Beach Peninsula, a California sea lion was racked by seizures typical of domoic acid poisoning. The animal stranded. He arched its neck repeatedly and then collapsed into the fetal position, quivering. Clearly, there was something neurologically wrong. Bob DeLong has noted that 33% of the animals necropsied at the Bonneville Dam, these adult males from the Columbia River, were suffering from domoic acid tissue damage. So this California sea lion's food source and aquatic habitat has been negatively altered, and these animals really need our help. The California sea lions trapped and killed at the Bonneville Dam and necropsied. The lab found diseases in these animals: urogenital cancer, domoic acid tissue damage. The examinations revealed that cancers in stranded animals are frequently advanced, and that most California males have squamous cell carcinoma. Mr. Bob DeLong with NOAA's Marine Mammal Lab reviewed the domoic acid tissue damage of these necropsies, and he noted the prevalence of 33% exposure in adult males in the Columbia River. And this was in 2008. So 33% of the male sea lions killed were suffering from domoic acid poisoning or leptospirosis or some kind of genital or skin cancer. Mobilized to gauge the West Coast toxic algae blooms. NOAA has found that the studies show the Northwest is amongst the hardest hit in the region. Domoic acid concentrations in anchovies have been very high. This all negatively affects these animals who rely on this forage fish for their very sustenance. Sharing is a behavior that most of us would like our children to learn and to practice. The sea lions ought not to have to pay with their lives so that human land mammals that do not want to share can kill more ESA salmon and extract more ESA salmon habitat. The time is now to focus on the bigger impacts and the ultimate causes of ESA cold water fish mortality before it is too late. Humans have the biggest impact on these populations of fish. There is a limit to the amount of fish a sea lion can eat. I mean, the sea lion only eats what the sea lion needs to eat. It's only the human animal that takes more than what they need to eat. Oregon does not even have a death penalty for the most heinous criminal. Yet they have a death penalty for sea lions eating fish out of a Superfund site called the Willamette River. Hatchery salmon, or hatchery steelhead, out of a Superfund site. That is the epitome of greed. That is the epitome of corruption. History is reflective, and the animals that are truly dangerous are the human land mammals that allocate all the fish and aquatic habitat as their own. Moreover, humans refusing to share, bombing, shooting, hazing, trapping, and hot iron branding and killing California sea lions so that they themselves can maximize their harvest of the hatchery fish, while killing ESA fish is bycatch and indirectly or directly, and therefore such greed and their hypocrisy does not send a good example for our children. We all deserve to eat, we all deserve a safe place to sleep, and we all deserve a safe place that we can call home.